Well, we're sorry to say everyone, but this is going to make some people a little bit mad. This is the Bigme Inknote Color Plus LITE. And how it's different is only a few things. They got rid of the 4G, they reduced the 6GB RAM down to 4GB, and they reduced the 128 gigs storage to 64GB. Outside of that, that is it. Those are the only changes to this unit. But also, is that this is $200 less than the Inknote Color Plus that came out before, making it $100 less than the Books Tab Ultra C. You know, to be honest, that was kind of a smart play by Bigme to release their unit first at a high price point, wait to see what the competition does, and then remove kind of a couple things you didn't need to undercut the competition by a wide margin. I mean, that's pretty smart if you really think about it. So this is the box. It slides open like this, and I never like this. This is the accessory case, and we have to open it each and every time, but it's just silly how they can't really incorporate it into the box. That's neither here nor there. It's just for space saving and kind of making a more streamlined approach to it. But let us look what is inside. Should be the USB cable and the replacement tips, which it is, and it is labeled the B5. It is labeled the B5 because that is the size of this one. It is not A4 like a 13.3, it is a B5. So you get a little sleeve there that, it's not a sleeve, it's like a foam insert thing. I wonder if this is going to be a different pen. I doubt it. It's probably just going to be the standard pen, but let us open this up and take this out. There's nothing, oh, there is something else in the box. That's right. I always assume it's low profile, so they don't have anything else in the box. But this is the warranty card, the QC check, and the quick start guide. Hold on to all this stuff if you get lost along the way. Let's look at what pen. This one should be the lightsaber pen. So let's slide this out. Yes, it is. Has a little topper there, and you can activate the laser pointer and drive your little cat nuts. So let's look at the unit itself. Looking at the measurements and the weight and everything, it seems to be identical to the Inknote Color Plus in every possible way. Oh, that is rewarding, and oh, it shocked me right there. That is rewarding and something I don't like doing. I usually keep the plastic on all my stuff. I'm not some old Italian grandma that keeps the plastic on the furniture, but at the same point, I do like leaving it on as much as possible. This is the Inknote Color Plus. Now, they don't actually say LITE anywhere in English on here. It's not really a designation stamp, but it does look pretty much identical in every single way. It has the power button up top with a camera at the front and a camera at the back with a flash package. Nice contrasting stone gray, a little bit of a blue clay going on there with a black side bezel there, and you have the double bezel here with the off-white and black on the side. You have twin speakers at the bottom, and you have an SD card slot with a USB-C and a pogo pin snap on the right. Let's just turn this on for the first time, as we usually do, and do a first time boot up, but of course we will save all the good stuff for the full review after this. You know what I like about the Bigme devices? You can skip everything. You literally can just skip over all the initialization settings. And look, this one has Kindle built into it, and it's got ChatGPT on there to write some books for me. So we are going to get into a full review on this, of course, but do not worry, everyone. This is not worlds different than the Inknote Color Plus. It's not an all-new unit in the regard where it's doing anything groundbreaking, but the price point is insane compared to what you got on the higher trim package. And if you don't need the 4G and you live in a place that it actually can't utilize, this no longer has 4G on board. They took the actual 4G antenna out, thus saving some money. That's kind of how they got the price down so low, because other than that, it's just RAM and a little bit of storage, which you can make up for anyways using the SD card down below. So this is everything that comes in the box, everybody, with the brand new Inknote Color Plus LITE 2023 May Bigme release. Bigme never seems to disappoint when it comes to these incremental releases, much like Onyx and a couple other manufacturers we can name. Everyone, thanks for watching and have a great day.